How to get rid of mosquitoes. Imagine this, it's a warm summer evening, you're finally relaxing outside, maybe enjoying a barbecue with friends or just unwinding after a long day. But then, bzzz, mosquitoes attack. They're buzzing in your ears, biting your arms and legs, and turning your peaceful night into a battle against itchy red bumps. These tiny creatures are not just annoying, they can be dangerous too. Did you know mosquitoes are responsible for spreading diseases like malaria, dengue, and the Zika virus? But don't worry, you're in the right place. In this video, we're going to break down the most effective ways to get rid of mosquitoes, both inside your home and in your backyard. So if you're tired of mosquito bites and sleepless nights, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and let's dive right in. Welcome to The Guardian's Choice. In today's video we'll cover indoor mosquito solutions, outdoor mosquito solutions, keeping mosquitoes off your skin, and preventing infestations. Follow all the steps in this video for the best results, and don't forget to subscribe to get all the household tips and tricks you don't want to miss. Method 1. Indoor mosquito solutions. Number 1. Shut and seal all potential mosquito entrances with door and window screens. Purchase or make your own screens to seal up your windows and prevent any mosquitoes from making their way into your home. If it's possible, install screen doors as well to block off another potential mosquito entrance point. If you already have window and door screens, inspect them periodically for holes and tears and replace them as needed. Pro tip: small pests like ants and mosquitoes often get in your home through unnoticed cracks and crevices. Make sure your home is sealed with no openings so the pests will have no way of getting inside. Purchase caulk to do this yourself, or hire a pest control company to do it for you. Number 2. Opt for air conditioning instead of opening your windows. Opening your windows can be a refreshing way to stay cool, but it can also invite unwanted pests into your home. When possible, stay cool by switching on your AC instead. Opening your windows shouldn't be too much of an issue if you have window screens installed. Still, it's always better to be on the safe side when it comes to mosquitoes. Number 3. Set out a bowl of peppermint oil-infused water. Pour water into a shallow bowl until it's completely filled up. Then, squeeze a few droplets of peppermint oil onto the surface of the water. Put the bowl out in a room where you've noticed a lot of mosquitoes hanging out. With any luck, the essential oil infusion will help keep them away. Some people find that a bowl of water mixed with a little dish soap can be an effective way to kill mosquitoes. Number 4. Kill mosquitoes on-site with both hands. Spot a pesky critter buzzing around your head? Rather than swatting the insect with one hand, use two hands to clap the mosquito so it can't escape. If the bug is resting on a flat surface, like a wall or table, just use one hand to slap the mosquito and kill it instantly. Swatting a mosquito with just one hand actually makes it harder to kill the mosquito, since you end up driving the insect back over your hand. Using two hands prevents the mosquito from getting blown away. Don't want to get your hands dirty? Try using a rolled-up newspaper or a mosquito swatter instead. Whenever possible, try to clap or swat the mosquitoes rather than using a chemical spray indoors. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Method 2. Outdoor mosquito solutions. Number 1. Spritz an insecticide on any greenery mosquitoes could land on. Check the label on your pesticide for instructions on how, and where, to apply it. Sprayable insecticides are typically designed to kill adult mosquitoes, and are meant to be sprayed on common mosquito landing spots, like bushes, shrubs, and other vegetation around your home. Want to get rid of mosquito larvae instead? Use a larvicide in any bodies of water on your property, like a pond. To protect the other animals in and around the water, choose a larvicide with a BTI bacteria, Bacillus thuringiensis israelensis, which only targets black flies, mosquitoes, and midges. Number 2. Place an outdoor mosquito trap. Shop around for traps designed to catch mosquitoes specifically rather than any type of insect buzzing around your yard. Some of the best traps to consider are AGO traps. Set a variety of autocidal gravid ovitrap (AGO) traps around your yard. They resemble appealing breeding spots and trick female mosquitoes into laying their eggs on a sheet of adhesive paper rather than in a pool of water. Carbon dioxide traps. Traps like the mosquito magnet lure the insects in with carbon dioxide before catching and trapping them. Warning: avoid bug zapping types of traps. While they will kill mosquitoes, they'll also kill a host of other insects, including bugs that help pollinate your yard. Number 3. Replace your outdoor bulbs with bug lights. Switch out your traditional bulbs with bug lights. While these bulbs won't kill off mosquitoes, the yellow light prevents as many insects from hanging around the outside of your home. Number 4. Add cedar mulch to your garden. Switch out traditional mulch for cedar mulch. Besides soaking up extra moisture, this special type of mulch can also keep mosquitoes away. This is because the wood gives off compounds known as hydrocarbons, which have natural insecticide-like effects. Western red cedar mulch works especially well, but any type of cedar mulch should get the job done. Number 5. Set out plants that mosquitoes don't enjoy, like citronella and basil. Head to your local plant nursery and pick up plants like catnip, lavender, citronella, basil, lemon balm, pennyroyal, marigold, rosemary, peppermint, scented geraniums, and lemongrass. Mosquitoes aren't typically fans of the way these plants smell, so they might help you get rid of the pests naturally. Some people find that diffusing certain essential oils, like catnip, lavender, or lemon eucalyptus, is an effective way to repel mosquitoes. However, experts aren't a fan of essential oil-based pest control due to how little is known about its efficacy. Number 6. Install bat and bird nest boxes to welcome mosquito predators to your yard. Bats and birds like yellow warblers, swallows, purple martins, and eastern kingbirds all like to snack on mosquitoes. Building bat boxes and nest boxes are both great ways to get these natural predators to spend a little more time around your property. Have a pond or other natural water source on your property? Look into housing fish like eastern mud minnows, pygmy killfish, bream, or spotted sunfish, which are all known to eat mosquito larvae. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Method 3. Keeping mosquitoes off your skin. Number 1. Wear long pants and shirts that keep your skin covered up. Before heading outside, swap out your shorts for jeans or sweatpants, and your t-shirt for a long-sleeve tee. The less real estate the critters have access to, the fewer mosquito bites you'll net overall. Number 2. Spritz yourself with DEET-rich mosquito repellent to prevent itchy bites. DEET, chemically known as N-diethylmetatoluamide, hides your smell from mosquitoes, which makes it more difficult for these pests to find and bite you. Following the bug spray's instructions, spritz it over your exposed skin, but avoid sensitive areas like your mouth, ears, eyes, and any cuts or scrapes. Spray the repellent on your hands before applying it to your face to avoid any irritation. Only apply the bare minimum amount of product that you need to coat your skin. Not a fan of chemical-based repellents? That's totally valid. Try an oil-based repellent like Repel instead. Some people like using citronella-based products to guard against mosquitoes, but research shows that DEET-based repellents offer longer protection. Number 3. Hang out inside when it starts to get dark. Mosquitoes are most active in the early evening hours when the sun isn't beating down. So, it's best to stay inside at that time to prevent the blood-sucking pests from getting a free meal. If you have to head outside, make sure to cover up in a long-sleeve shirt and long pants, and to spritz any exposed skin with DEET-rich bug repellent. Number 4. Hang up mosquito netting around your bed if your windows aren't screened. Pick up a mosquito net that's large enough to drape over your entire bed and has at least 156 holes for every 1 SQ in 6.5 square centimeters. Tuck the bottom edges of the net beneath your mattress before slipping into bed for the night. A mosquito net might not be necessary if you have screened-in windows and doors, but it can be an invaluable tool if you're staying/traveling in an area without these resources. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Method 4. Preventing infestations. Number 1. Get rid of any standing water around your property. Take a lap around your home and look for any type of standing water. Rain barrels, empty wheelbarrows, plant pots, and bird baths are all potential offenders. The more standing water you get rid of, the less appealing your yard will be for female mosquitoes hoping to lay eggs. Here are a few tips to keep standing water and mosquitoes out of your home. Clean out your gutters to prevent blockages. Empty and replace any outdoor pet water bowls regularly. Inspect any junk in your yard that could hold water, like toys or tires. Place a layer of sand beneath any plant pots to keep water from pooling underneath. Warning: mosquitoes can reproduce in 1 teaspoon, 4.9 milliliters of stagnant water. That's why it's so important to inspect any possible item that can hold water. Number 2. Care for any water features and swimming pools on your property. If you have a koi pond or swimming pool that doesn't see much use, it may become a breeding ground for mosquitoes. Do yourself and your neighbors a favor by doing regular maintenance to keep the water fresh and flowing. Cut back vegetation from around your pond or other water features. If you have a bird bath or another small source of water, change the water frequently or agitate it so mosquitoes won't lay eggs there. Treat your pool with the proper chemicals to make it uninhabitable for mosquitoes. Number 3. Maintain your lawn and trim down any shrubbery. Like us, mosquitoes like to hang out in cooler areas when the weather gets hot, so, the less shade your yard has to offer for these micro-sized critters, the better. Focus on mowing down any patches of tall grass, as well as removing any tree branches that create a lot of shade. Keep an eye out for any large or overgrown bushes as well, which may create appealing shade. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Tips. 1. Bitten by mosquitoes already? Get some relief from the itching with a corticosteroid cream or calamine lotion. Pressing on the bug bite for around 10 seconds or swiping an ice cube over the surface for about 30 seconds can also alleviate some of the itchiness. 2. To safely and humanely get rid of mosquitoes, install bat houses on your property. As prolific insect eaters, bats make excellent natural allies in anti-mosquito efforts. Their appetite for bugs like mosquitoes and moths can lessen infestations. 3. Turning a fan on in your bedroom can overpower a mosquito's ability to fly and prevent them from biting you while you sleep. You can also create positive air pressure in your home by turning your air conditioning colder, which creates a rush of air that goes out of the house when doors are open. This prevents mosquitoes from flying inside. 4. An electric fly swatter runs on batteries, zaps bugs on contact, and won't splatter blood if used on an already bitten mosquito. Plus, the affordable gadget kills other insects like spiders and flies. It's a versatile, mess-free way to battle bugs. 5. Look for breeding sites such as old tires, the kids' pool that is not used any longer, buckets or any item with standing water left alone long enough can become a breeding site. Tall grass can also be a roosting site. Shrubs and trees with large canopies that gives great shade and cover for adults are also a roosting site. By identifying the breeding sites and the conducive conditions that promote mosquito populations, you can help reduce the number of adult mosquitoes around your home. Choose the method that works best for you and your situation, and help to reduce mosquitoes' infestation. Follow this channel to learn many more household tips, tricks, and life hacks like this. If you have other tips, please share them with us in the comments. Hope you enjoy. See you in the next video.